Use a selenium supplement to help restore your thyroid. Selenium may help restore your thyroid when you use it in conjunction with other, more conventional treatments. Keep in mind, though, that selenium is not likely to work as a treatment by itself. Meet with a dietitian to increase protein and calories in your diet. If your hyperthyroidism has caused you to lose a lot of weight, you may need to increase your caloric intake. Protein, in particular, can help if you lost muscle mass due to the condition. Increase your calcium intake to help with thinning bones. This condition can cause brittle or thin bones, so getting enough calcium is important. If you are not getting enough from your diet, ask your doctor about taking a calcium supplement. Avoid eating foods that are high in iodine. Foods like seaweed are high in iodine, and you should avoid them when possible. Seafood can also be high in iodine. These foods can make the symptoms of your hyperthyroidism worse. Choose a multivitamin that doesn't have iodine. Some multivitamins provide a source of iodine. If yours does, you should talk to your doctor before continuing it. Your doctor may recommend that you stop taking it. Skip the iodized salt. While you're recovering from hyperthyroidism, it might be a good idea to skip the iodized salt. When you buy your salt at the store, look for one that doesn't have added iodine. Protect your eyes with sunglasses. Graves' disease can make your eyes protrude, which makes them more susceptible to sunlight and wind damage. Sunglasses help protect your eyes from these damaging effects. Use eye drops and cold compresses to provide pain relief for your eyes. If your eyes are irritated, cool compresses may help, likely due to the extra moisture. Similarly, eye drops can help relieve dry, scratchy eyes. Elevate your head at night to prevent eyelid swelling. This condition can cause your eyelids to swell at night, which can be painful. Elevating your head can provide some relief, as it allows gravity to gently decrease the swelling by pulling fluid to the rest of your body. Check with your doctor before using supplements. While supplements are usually safe, they aren't right for everyone. They can interfere with your medications or worsen certain medical conditions. Talk to your doctor to make sure supplements are safe for you to take.